100% profit from ready-made kids learning content. Get hundreds of creative learning materials fully rebrandable plus PLR license for 100% profit. From coloring books to children's creative activities, all design ready to print, no skills or experience required and no sweat. Low costs, high demand, and global reach, the perfect recipe for a profitable online business. The children's education and creativity market is growing faster than ever. Every single day, millions of parents, teachers, and homeschoolers are actively looking for fresh, engaging learning materials. The home learning boom since the pandemic has only fueled this demand, and because children's educational products are evergreen, they will never go out of style. With platforms like Amazon KDP, Etsy, and Shopify, you can sell your products globally without borders. Combine near-zero production costs with flexible pricing models, from single books to bundles or subscriptions, and you have a business that offers high repeat purchases, steady income, and unlimited profit potential. Evergreen products. Children's educational resources never go out of style. New parents, new students, and new teachers mean an endless stream of potential customers. Sell globally, without borders. Distribute your products anywhere in the world. Sell locally or internationally on platforms like Amazon KDP, Etsy, Shopify, or your own website, all from the comfort of your home. Constantly growing market. Every single day, millions of parents, teachers, and homeschoolers are searching for engaging, creative learning materials for children. The demand never slows down, no matter the season. Digital first, mobile-friendly learning. Offering your materials in mobile-ready formats opens up access to millions of tech-savvy families worldwide, making your products even more versatile and in demand. High repeat purchase potential. Children outgrow their learning materials quickly, creating a constant need for fresh, age-appropriate content, meaning more sales opportunities for you, month after month. Near-zero production costs. All content is fully created and ready to deliver digitally. No printing warehouses, no shipping costs, no physical inventory, pure profit. And now, you can enjoy all these benefits with ease. No design skills, no experience, and no stress. Using this product. A complete library of kids' creative content, brandable and ready to resell for 100% profit. Simply download, customize with your branding, and upload to your platform. You're ready to sell in minutes, not days. Let's see the preview. You can use it to create your own kids' activity book. Just mix and match with other modules. You can use it to create your own kids' activity book. Just mix and match with other modules. You can use it to create your own kids' activity book. Just mix and match with other modules. You can use it to create your own kids' activity book. Just mix and match with other modules. You can use it to create your own kids' activity book. Just mix and match with other modules. You can use it to create your own kids' activity book. Just mix and match with other modules. You can use it to create your own kids' activity book. Just mix and match with other modules. You can use it to create your own kids' activity book. Just mix and match with other modules. You can use it to create your own kids' activity book. Just mix and match with other modules. You can use it to create your own kids' activity book. Just mix and match with other modules. You can use it to create your own kids' activity book. Just mix and match with other modules. You can use it to create your own kids' activity book. Just mix and match with other modules. You can use it to create your own kids' activity book. Just mix and match with other modules. You can use it to create your own kids' activity book. Just mix and match with other modules. You can use it to create your own kids' activity book. Just mix and match with other modules. You can use it to create your own kids' activity book. Just mix and match with other modules. A complete library of kids' creative content ready to resell for 100% profit. Must have, your fast track to create, sell, and profit from kids' content. Ready to use, save time and effort. All content is ready to use, no need for exhausting research, starting designs from scratch, or struggling to find ideas. Simply make small edits, if you want, and you can sell or use it right away. Interesting and unique niche. We has a unique niche. Not all of your competitors have niche packages like this, consequently giving you several steps ahead of your competitor. No cost, massive product value. You get hundreds of pages of content and dozens of ready-to-print books that would take months and cost thousands of dollars to create from scratch. High quality and professional. Every design is clean, well-structured, and visually appealing to kids, ready to compete in international marketplaces like Amazon KDP, etc., or Shopify. Huge and evergreen business potential. The children's education market never goes out of demand. Every year, parents, teachers, and schools need fresh learning and creative activity content. Brand new with full PLR license included. You're free to resell, rebrand, or bundle with other products to create your own unique offers. With low cost, high profit potential, this is a great option for your business. You are able to get commercial/resell rights to make big money. Faster. Easier. We are offering you a mind-blowing and extremely profitable opportunity to get commercial or resell rights license for a stunning product that sells super quickly and enables you to experience profits without any hard work. Top marketers know that people are running their dream business online by selling their own products and totally killing it. You can also start your own digital business today. Faster. Easier, by getting your hands on this complete package. You have two different options to get this product. You can use the product in your own commercial projects and projects you create for clients. You can charge your clients money for the projects you create for them using the assets in this product. Platinum packages offered in the next page, more info. With this license you can sell this product as your own, under your name, your order buttons, etc. With the resell right license, you can sell unlimited copies and keep all of the money. Platinum packages offered in the next page, more info. Asterisk, exclusive PLR license offered in the upsell, with more content. Understand this before you buy. Q. Are there any more upsells or autos? Yes, after purchase the main offer, you can upgrade your purchase to the extended pack, where you can double your content with more different templates and different niches. Plus, upgraded into PLR license for main product, FA, and the extended version. Q. Can I rebrand and resell the product? Q. What's the product license we'll get? Warrior Plus is used to help manage the sale of products on this site. While Warrior Plus helps facilitate the sale, all payments are made directly to the product vendor and not Warrior Plus. Thus, all product questions, support inquiries, and/or refund requests must be sent to the vendor. Warrior Plus's role should not be construed as an endorsement, approval, or review of these products or any claim, statement or opinion used in the marketing of these products.